In the quest for fitness and attractiveness, one concept stands out: the aesthetic physique. This isn't just about bulging muscles or shredded abs. It's about balance, proportion, and harmony. It's about a body that not only looks good but feels good too. It's about striving for an ideal that combines physical strength with visual appeal. But remember, the journey to achieving an aesthetic physique is not just physical but psychological and cultural too. It's a journey that's as much about the mind as it is about the body. So, what makes an aesthetic physique so attractive? Let's delve into the human mind. From the dawn of time, our ancestors had to make snap judgments about potential mates based on physical appearance alone. These judgments were, and still are, rooted in survival. The fittest were more likely to survive and pass on their genes. This survival of the fittest sculpted our perceptions of attractiveness over millennia. Health indicators play a significant role in this appraisal. Clear skin, bright eyes, and a well-proportioned body are all signs of good health. In terms of physique, a strong, muscular build often signals vitality and the ability to protect and provide, making it an attractive trait. But it's not just about raw power. The human mind also appreciates balance and symmetry. Symmetrical faces and bodies are perceived as more attractive because they signal genetic diversity and good health. And when it comes to physique, a balanced distribution of muscle mass is often more appealing than hulking biceps or a disproportionate six-pack. Now let's talk about mate choices. In the wild, animals flaunt their physical prowess to attract a mate. A peacock's vibrant tail, a stag's impressive antlers, these are all displays of fitness meant to attract a mate. Humans aren't any different. A fit, well-toned body can be a signal of good genes, making it an attractive trait for potential mates. But what about personal preference, you ask? Well, personal preference does play a role in attraction. However, it's often influenced by these deeply ingrained evolutionary factors. So, while you might prefer blondes or brunettes, tall or short, the underlying basis of attraction remains the same: health, fitness, and good genes. All these factors converge to create a concept of an aesthetic physique, a physique that's not just about looking good, but about signaling strength, health, and genetic fitness. It's a concept that's deeply rooted in our evolutionary past and continues to shape our perceptions of attractiveness today. Our evolutionary past has a significant impact on our perceptions of attractiveness. But we cannot ignore the mirror of society reflecting its own standards of beauty. Culture plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions of beauty. Different societies around the world have their own unique standards of attractiveness. While some cultures value a lean, athletic physique, others might prize a fuller, more robust form. This variety underscores the idea that beauty truly is in the eye of the beholder. Yet in our globalized world, there's a certain image of the ideal physique that seems to be more universally admired. This image is largely shaped by media, advertising, and social media platforms. These avenues, with their wide reach and influence, have the power to mold our perceptions of what an attractive body should look like. Consider the images we're bombarded with daily, from billboards showcasing chiseled models to social media feeds filled with fitness influencers flaunting their perfectly sculpted bodies. These images create a narrative of what is considered desirable, shaping our collective understanding of an appealing physique. The media's portrayal of the ideal physique is not just limited to aesthetics. It also extends to the perceived benefits of such a physique. The narrative often suggests that an attractive body equates to success, popularity, and desirability, further reinforcing the pursuit of this ideal. But it's essential to remember that these images often present a distorted and unattainable reality. The rampant use of photo editing tools and the selective sharing of perfect moments can create unrealistic expectations. This can lead to body dissatisfaction and unhealthy behaviors in the pursuit of an ideal that is often just an illusion. It's also important to note the growing movement challenging these narrow beauty standards. Body positivity campaigns and the increasing representation of diverse bodies in media are slowly shifting societal norms. They advocate for acceptance and appreciation of all body types, promoting the idea that every physique can be aesthetic in its own unique way. Society's standards of beauty are ever-changing, impacting our perceptions of the ideal physique. As we navigate through these shifting standards, let's strive for balance, health, and self-acceptance rather than chasing an elusive and ever-changing ideal. Over time, certain figures and trends have defined what an aesthetic physique looks like. From the lean, athletic bodies popularized by Olympians in ancient Greece to the muscular, chiseled figures of modern-day bodybuilders, our perceptions of beauty and fitness have evolved significantly. In the golden age of Hollywood, stars like Steve Reeves brought the muscular physique into the mainstream, while Arnold Schwarzenegger's iconic bodybuilding career in the late 20th century set a new standard for muscle mass and definition. Today, the rise of high-intensity functional training has shifted the focus towards functional strength and fitness, with an emphasis on balance and proportion. This evolution reflects societal changes, advances in our understanding of health and fitness, and shifts in cultural values. Fitness icons not only inspire us with their physical feats, but they also influence our perceptions of what it means to be fit, healthy, and attractive. These icons and trends have shaped our understanding of the aesthetic physique. Science, too, has its say in what constitutes an attractive physique. Research points to a fascinating correlation between physical attractiveness and career success. It appears that those with a more aesthetic physique often find themselves at an advantage in social interactions and even in their professional lives. This isn't to say that physical appearance is the only factor at play, but it undeniably influences perceptions. Self-esteem, too, is often linked to how we perceive our physical selves. A well-proportioned and symmetrical body, often associated with an aesthetically pleasing physique, can boost self-confidence and, in turn, our interactions with the world. But what does well-proportioned and symmetrical mean? It's not about attaining a cookie-cutter body shape, it's about understanding the balance and harmony of one's own body. Muscle definition plays a part, yes, but it's the overall balance and proportion that truly defines an aesthetic physique. Science confirms that an aesthetic physique can influence various aspects of our lives. So, how does one journey towards achieving an aesthetic physique? Well, it's all about balance and consistency. It's no secret that diet and exercise play a pivotal role in shaping our bodies. But it isn't just about mindless hours on the treadmill or restrictive diets. It's about making sustainable choices that you can stick with in the long run. Start by evaluating your current lifestyle. Are you sitting a lot? Then maybe it's time to incorporate more physical activities into your daily routine. This doesn't necessarily mean signing up for a marathon or hitting the gym 7 days a week. It could be as simple as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a brisk walk during your lunch break. When it comes to diet, remember you are what you eat. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables will not only help you lose fat but also build muscle. And no, you don't have to give up your favorite foods. It's about portion control and moderation. And let's not forget sleep. It's the unsung hero of a healthy lifestyle. Getting enough sleep helps regulate your metabolism, repair your muscles, and boost your mood. Remember, small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. It's not about perfection, but progress. So, stay patient, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Improving your physique is a journey, not a destination. In the quest for an aesthetic physique, let's not forget to embrace diversity. Our pursuit of physical perfection should never overshadow the beauty of variety. Body positivity and empowering movement encourages us to appreciate and respect all body types. It's a reminder that our worth isn't defined by our appearance. Physical attractiveness is subjective, shaped by cultural, societal, and individual preferences. So remember, while you work towards your ideal physique, celebrate the unique beauty of others too. Embrace diversity, for beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. The journey to an aesthetic physique is a fascinating one. It's a blend of evolutionary psychology, societal standards, and personal commitment. We've explored icons, delved into science, and considered the impact of media. The importance of body symmetry, proportions, and muscle definition have been highlighted. We've underscored the necessity of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, while championing body positivity and diversity. Remember, the journey to an aesthetic physique is about balance, acceptance, and embracing your unique beauty.